Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chronicles of Caroline here. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome. If you are not subscriber, you are welcome also. You know the drill. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the process of making kinky twist. I want to believe by now we all know the first step is to make sure you are working with a clean hair. My hair is freshly washed and blow dried. I also made a video showing the process of how I blow dried my hair to avoid getting it damaged. I'll drop the link in the description box. Please make sure you check it out if you want to see how to effectively blow dry your hair. What you see me applying on my hair was hair serum to introduce moisture back to my hair and avoid making my hair dry like that. If you are not new here, you know one thing I always do whenever I'm putting my hair in protective style or working with my hair is to work in section, and that is what I'm doing. I'm dividing my hair into 4 sections. I'll be using the Lush Kinky to make this twist. This is my first time using Kinky from Lush to make my hair. It is long and it is actually really long. You guys will see the length as I'm showing you in the video, and I'm using color 1, that is color black. I really don't like how the hair feels when it is dry and you are braiding it. That is why I'm using oil again to moisturize my hair. Oil is not really a moisturizer, but oil to like give it a little bit of sleep, going with my comb to ensure there is no tangles before finally braiding my hair. Can you guys believe I don't use mirror whenever I'm making my hair? I only use my phone front camera to see what I'm doing, and that's even for the front of my hair. The back of my hair is none of you guys' business, and it's not even my own business because I don't care how it looks. But if you are someone that wants your pattern to be very clean and neat, then please make sure you are using mirror or find someone to help you pat it and make sure it is neat. But for people like me that does not mind how the pattern look, you can just freestyle. Let me stop yapping so you guys can enjoy the rest of the video. For the twisting, what I did is to braid a little bit first before twisting the rest of the hair. So enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you guys at the end. Done with the twist. Now it is time to put it in hot water. Please, if you are putting it in hot water yourself, be very careful. Wrap towel around your neck, don't burn yourself. And if you find someone to do it for you, that will be better. Hot water will help relax the kinky. Then I'm going in with mousse. Honestly, if you ask me, I really don't know the work of mousse, but I know I love putting it in my hair anytime I make my hair. So I'm applying mousse, then going with my blow dryer for the job, because no matter how much you use towel to dry it still will not be 100% dry. But with blow dryer, you don't have to worry about water dripping on your body. And that is it, guys. The twist is now looking juicy, is ready to be stirred. I mean, I love the result so much. I also applied oil to my scalp, which is an optional step. And with that, guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified anytime I post a new video. And if you would love to see different way I style my twist, make sure you stay tuned for the next post. Bye, guys, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.